So guys, now we are heading to the Sweetwater Lake, which I told you, which is very adjacent to the Arambul beach, and it's a very beautiful lake. Many people used to come over here to see this lake. We are heading to the Sweetwater Lake, which is very adjacent to this Arambul beach. But when we need to go to there, we need to cross some of these rocks, and very beautiful rocks, which you won't find in many beaches. Only in few beaches you find this kind of rocks. And today we can see there is a lot of crowd in this beach, and people are enjoying after the Christmas. The good thing about this lake is we have the paragliding over here, and people, you do the paragliding. Normally they would charge you around 2 to 2,500, but only the one obstacle you have to cross is like you have to go from this area to the upside, and then you can have the ride. And definitely it is going to be very interesting. Even I had earlier who would take us to the from that mountain to the land, and definitely he'll round the 2 trips, and then finally we are arriving to the Sweetwater Lake. So actually this lake used to be a lot of water in it. Nowadays this year we cannot see the lot of water over here, but it's a very beautiful lake. Like people swim over here and they enjoy. Previously it used to be there till here, but now the water level has gone down, and the way it has increased, so people are enjoying over here. So there is also a banyan tree from this place, where we have to head to this place, and where we have to travel around 5 kilometers. Then we can see the banyan tree as well. So it's a very thick forest over here. It is very scary. I did not try to go to that place. Also there are beds over here. You can take a rest for some time and can chill out and hang up with some beer or something stuff. People are ready to serve you in this place as well, and there are a lot of coconut trees over here. And if you see the red flag over there, compulsory we have to be before to that red flag, which is very dangerous. We have nice beds over here. Again we are back to the beach. Now we are heading to the corner of this beach. One good thing about this beach is, for the new couple, like who are there, getting to marry, they do the lot of pre-wedding kind of photos shoot over here, and it's a very good place to take the pre-wedding photographs and videos for the loved ones. And so here we got some friends. They're catching the fish in the water, and it's really a great thing, like being on the beach and catching the fishes.
Here.
You've already caught some?
Come, let's go.
Yeah. They have got some fishes here. Very nice.
You already caught some, few of them.
Yeah, that's very cool. Oh, it is very small. The
Yeah.
fishes are really, that's great. Really.
I mean, we've got time to kill, so what the hell.
Okay. Yeah. And now the sunset. While returning from the Sweetwater Lake and the beach, there is a lot of good things are there here. Like we can do the shopping and we can purchase the for our favorite ones. You can see you can get all the dresses, shorts. I think you can get a lot of good t-shirts over here, like Bob Marley, one of my favorite t-shirts. Leather items which is available in this shop, which is my friend's shop. So you can buy only leather hide with 100% leather. So this is my friend's shop. One of my best friend in Goa is he maintains these shops, and which is close to the this Sweetwater Lake. While going to Sweetwater Lake, you can have the all the stuff where you can have and you can drink in the beach. Even though you'll get the drinks at the beach, but if you purchase here, it will be less price compared to the other. So in this fridge you can see all the items like Budweiser and Breezer, Kingfisher and Hakkinen. And also you can find the soft drinks.
You are a friend of Abdullah. Abdullah, Ali. You don't know? Thank you, bro. Come with us, man.
Like in Goa, we have the people who are traveling from outside. They have to compulsory get the 2 doses certification, and if they have taken the 1 dose, then definitely they have to take the 1 RT-PCR test, so that they would allow. Otherwise, they would test in the airport or within the railway station, or whether you are coming from. If you are coming from bus, then definitely they will going to test you, and they would allow into the Goa. These are the new restrictions was implemented, and it is going very tight. And even when I came to Goa, I have taken the 2 doses, and also I got the RT-PCR test, so that I do not mess up with this trip, and I definitely want to enjoy this trip. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. In the next vlog, I'm going to show you the main beach in the Arambol area, which is very opposite to this mountain, and there is a very huge crowd over there, and there you will see the lot of things over there in the upcoming week.